It's turning into a mess now, man. It wasn't but 15 minutes ago or so. It was just one or two little storms, and now they're all just exploding. They're all massive now. This is like a hurricane, man. This is probably 2 inches of rain an hour at least. Maybe 3. I'm starting to hear some more hail too. There's a ton of wind with these storms too, man. Yep, more hail. Thankfully it's small again. Let's hope it stays that way. Sometimes it'll start off small and then get huge. You hear the hail again?
Wow.
It's tiny though.
And it's washing the neighborhood.
Yeah, feel my shirt.
Oh man, you're soaked and it's cold. Our gutter's working?
Yeah. We lucked out with the hail so far. Well, we're still lucky, I would say. That's small.
Yeah.
It's a little bit bigger than pea size.
Good rough.
This is the third hailstorm we've had in a week now. Wow, man, look at Jack's roof across the street. The rain is blowing off of it. His flag just got knocked over. His flag just got knocked over. You see that? There's a decent one right there. About the size of my fingernail. Okay, it's getting worse. This is serious wind now, Dad.
It's probably gonna knock over some fences.
Yeah, there's no warning on this storm, which is strange. There probably should be. Still no warnings. Should be a warning on these for wind at least. Can't even see the end of the street. Another round of hail coming in, it sounds like. Here we go again. This is the third hailstorm today. Third one.
Today?
Yeah. What I'm impressed with is the wind. That wind's like 60 miles an hour. Look at the neighbor's roof over there. Just the rain is blowing off of it. The wind is blowing the rain off his house. Oh my God. Here, scoot over. I'm getting soaked. Scoot over. There's probably going to be some trees down.
Oh yeah.
You see Jack's flag?
It's gonna be
Ripped
flooding,
off?
so- Yeah, it ripped his flag off, didn't it?
Yeah.
It was on the ground, right down there.
I tell you what, I'd rather have 60-mile-an-hour wind any day than big hail. We lucked out with the hail. This is definitely severe. I don't know why there isn't a warning on it. It's not severe for hail though. Look at the trees back there, Dad. Behind Jack's house.
It's got a slippery, huh?
Yeah. As you can see, where I'm standing is just totally soaked. I got nowhere to go. Look at the side of our house. Turned into a creek. There's no way this is not severe wind. It's gotta be. The lake's probably going to be flooded again, man. Jeez. And they just got it down to a fishable level. It's going to be flooded again. May have to close the boat ramps again.